Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2024 of CDS 1 exam. For question number 83 to 85, there is a common statement, and the common statement is consider the following for the next three items that follow. The following pie chart 1 shows the people migrating to Delhi from different Indian states. P, Q and R are three different states, and S is combined group of other states. And pie chart 2 indicates the different age groups A, B, C and D of these migrating people for each state. So here this is pie chart 1 PQRS, percentage of PQRS are 40 20, sorry, 40 30 10 and 20. And this is pie chart 2 ABCD, percentage of ABCD is 50 15 15 and 20. Question number 83 based on this is, if the people coming from a particular state belonging to S are 15% and 24,000 in number, then what is the total number of migrating people belonging to the age group B? Option A 1.2 lakh, option B 1.25 lakh, option C 1.3 lakh and option D 1.5 lakh. Question number 84 is, what is the maximum differences between the number of people coming from different groups P, Q, R and S? Option A 1.6 lakh, option B 1.8 lakh, option C 2.4 lakh and option D 2.6 lakh. And question number 85 is, what is the difference between number of people coming from R having age group A and those coming from Q having age group B? Option A 6,000, option B 8,000, option C 12,000 and option D 18,000. So here first of all solving first question, that is question number 83. Uh, it is given that the people coming from a particular state belonging to S are 15%. So total people belonging uh, S is 20%, and out of 20%, 15% are related to particular state, because S is combination of combined group of other states. So that combined group of other states is of 20% of total, and out of which there is a particular state which has 15% share. Okay, and their number is 24,000. So if we assume total number of people to be X, then 15 15% of 20% of and 20% of X will be your 24,000, and from this X will be your 8 lakh. Okay, and now we have to find out the total number of people migrating, total number of migrating people belonging to age group B. Total number of people we have calculated, and age group B is of 25%, sorry, 15% here. So it will be 15% of X or 15% of total. So that will be 1,20,000. So answer is option A, 120 lakh. And question number 84. Question number 84 is, what is the maximum difference between the number of people coming from different groups P, Q, R, S? So P is having maximum percentage and R is having minimum percentage. So difference is your 30%, 40 minus 10, 30%, and total number of people are X, and X value is 8 lakh. So the required minimum difference will be your 30 by 100 into 8 lakh, that is 240000. So answer is option C. And the last one is, what is the difference between the number of people coming from R having age group A? So R percentage is 10% and age group percentage A is 50%. So we'll take 10% of 50% of total. Okay, because we have to take R group, that is 10% of total, and from that R 50% are of age group A. So it will be 40,000. Total is 8 lakh. It will be 40,000. Similarly, a the number of people those coming from Q, heavy age group B. So Q is 30% and age group is 20%. Same way, we'll calculate this 30 into 20 in percentage into 8 lakh. So that will be 48,000. So difference is 48,000 minus 40,000. So that is 8,000. So answer is option